Hello and welcome to the Aptitude series from Recruitech India. I'm your host, Turena Ayab, and as promised, we will be taking the questions on relative speed in this video. Let's get it started. So, if you have seen my previous videos, you would have understood the various formulas that comes with relative speed pertaining to when two objects are going in the same direction or in opposite directions. If you have not watched the video, I will be sure to put down the links below. However, if you have watched the video, then let's continue. So, let's read this question. Here it says a car is traveling from point A to point B at the speed of 60 kilometers an hour. Okay, so there is point A, right? A car is traveling from point A to point B, we are saying. So let's say B is here. Okay. And the speed with which this first car goes is 60 kilometers an hour. Another car is traveling at a speed of 30 kilometers from point B to point A. So this is coming from B to A, meaning in this direction. And the speed with which this comes is 30 kilometers per hour, right? So here, what is the direction between the two? So car A goes from A to B. So the first car goes from A to B. The second car goes from B to A, meaning they are going in the opposite direction. And if you have seen my previous video, then you would realize that when two objects are in the opposite direction to one another, then their relative speed is actually added. So in this case also, the first question says relative speed of the first car with respect to the second car. Relative speed here will be added. So 60 plus 30, which is equals to 90 kilometers an hour. The second question, after how many hours will the cars meet if the distance between A and B is 360 kilometers? So calculating the distance, sorry, not distance. Distance is actually given to us. Calculating the the time at which they meet, right? So that would be distance divided by speed, which is 360. And here it's not speed, actually, it is relative speed, which is 90. So 4. So in about 4 hours, will both the cars meet when their relative speed is 90 kilometers an hour, which is option C. I hope this question is understood. It was pretty simple. Just remember that when two objects are going in opposite direction, their speeds are added in order to get relative speed. And once you got the relative speed, you can find the time with the help of distance and relative speed given, right? So if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.